Question number 10 of exercise 6.3. Find the equation of all lines having slope -1 that are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 upon x minus 1. मीन्स स्लोप दिया हुआ है, आपको सारी लाइन का इक्वेशन पॉइंट नहीं पता करना है, पहले पॉइंट पता करके फिर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पता करना है. स्लोप दिया है -1. सो स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट dy बाई ds करके निकालते हैं. ये डायरेक्ट कैसे हो गया -1 अपॉन x माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर. आपको एक जनरल फार्मूला में बता चुका हूं कि d अपॉन dx 1 अपॉन x होता है -1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर. d अपॉन dx 1 अपॉन x प्लस कोई भी कांस्टेंट हो, प्लस 100 हो, -150 हो, इट्स डेरिवेटिव विल बी -1 अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर होल स्क्वायर. तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x माइनस 1 अपॉन x माइनस 1 -1 अपॉन x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर. हमने इन दोनों चीज को इक्वलाइज क्यों किया है? क्योंकि ये स्लोप इसके इक्वल होगा, ये भी तो स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट है. इसको आपने सॉल्व किया, सॉल्व करने के बाद आपको आया x माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. सो x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू नॉट 1, x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू प्लस -1 प्लस. First of all, you will put +1 against -1. Then you will get two values of x. First one is 2 and second one is 0. Now put value of x in this equation, in the curve में इसे put कीजिए 2 और 0. So what is the value of 1? y 1 and -1. The 2 points are 2, 1 and 0, -1. Now equation of line passing through point 2, 1 and having slope -1. Formula is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus. कर लिया? ऐसे आप दूसरा वाला कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2. Means dy by dx 2, which are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 upon x minus 3. First of all, we will find out dy by dx. इसी फॉर्मूले का यूज करेंगे and your answer will be 1 upon -1 upon x minus 3 whole square. So slope is 2. So -1 upon x minus 3 whole square is equal to 2. Cross multiply. -1, just open it, a minus b whole square. Okay. This is a repetition. Now you can't solve this equation by factorization method. Let us see what is wrong with this equation. A is 2, B is -12 and C is, so discriminate B square minus 4AC minus B whole square minus 4 into 2 into 90 144 minus 8. When discriminant is negative, it means no root exists, no real root exists, and if no real root exists means there is no value of x. There is no value of x. If you do not have value of x, you can't find the value of y, and if you do not have value of x and y, there is no inequality. There is no lines because there is no any point on curve. No line is possible. आप लिख सकते हैं d लेस देन 0. क्लास 10 में सिखाया गया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन and conceptual also. Find the points on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1 at which tangents are parallel to x axis. First of all, this curve is ellipse. ellipse. Okay. So tangents are parallel to x-axis. We will discuss about this. What is meaning of parallel to x-axis? Before that, we have to find dy dx, slope of tangent. No need to worry about 9. 9 को आपको डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करना डिनोमिनेटर. x स्क्वायर कीजिए 2x अपॉन 9. सिमिलरली 2y dy by अपॉन इक्वल टू 0. तो आपका 2y dy by dx इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2x अपॉन 9. कैंसिल आउट. dy by dx इज इक्वल टू माइनस x अपॉन 9 y minus x upon 9. So we have transpose 16 to right hand side. So this is the means 2y by dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon 9 and 16 multiply over. Now parallel to x axis means it is making
perpendicular to y axis.
It is making 0 degree angle with x axis.
Yes, sir.
And what is the value of tan 0? 0. Means if it has been given parallel to x axis, then dy by dx is 0. dy by dx is
0.
means 0 upon 1. Our angle is 0. So minus 16x upon 9y is equal to 0. What will be the value of x? 0. Solving. After solving, what will be the value of y? Put here 0 upon 9 plus y upon 16 is equal to 1. Y square is equal to 16. Y is equal to plus minus 4. So you have 2 points 0, 4 and 0 comma minus. Again in second part it has been given tangents are parallel to y axis. If tangents are parallel to y axis means perpendicular to x axis. Means angle of 90. What is the value of tan 90? 1 upon 0. Not defined. 1 upon 0 means this is 1 upon 0 means this is dy by dx. Okay. If it is parallel to x axis, then slope of tangent dy by dx is equal to 0. And if it is parallel to y axis, then slope of normal is 0. Slope of normal means minus 1 upon dy by dx. Means in other words, if parallel to x axis, numerator of dy by dx 0. And if parallel to y axis, denominator of dy by dx 0. So what is the denominator? This one. Slope of normal will be here. What? Minus 1 upon second part कर रहे हैं अब. ये तो सिखाया गया dy by dx minus 16x upon 9y is equal to 0. ये 9y ऊपर जाएगा. What will you get? Minus 9y is equal to 0. Suppose you are appearing in a competitive exam. In short, if tangent is parallel to x axis, numerator of dy by dx 0, and if parallel to y axis, denominator is equal to 0. What is value of y? 0. Putting value of y 0 here, what will you get? Value of x will be plus minus 3. The point will be 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. क्लियर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. फाइंड द इक्वेशंस ऑफ द टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल टू द गिवन कर्व एट द इंडिकेटेड पॉइंट्स. सो आपको पॉइंट दिए हैं, आप dy by dx निकालेंगे, उसमें x की वैल्यू रखेंगे, स्लोप मिल जाएगा और फार्मूला होता है y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x. So easy, but there is something special in fifth part. Point has not been given to you. It has been given x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t. First of all, we have to find out dy by dx. What? dy by dx. So dx upon dt
minus sin 3.
dy by dt
cos t
and dy by dx is equal to
minus cos
dy by dt divided by dx upon dt minus cot t. Value of dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. What will be minus cot pi by,
4
which is equal to minus 1. And your points will be x cos t, means cos pi by 4, that is 1. Point is 1 and sin pi by 4, not 1. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. And what about y?
1 upon root 2
1 upon root 2. Now you have to find the equation of line passing through these 2 points, this point, and having slope minus 1. That is the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus y minus 1 upon root 2. M is minus 1, x minus x1. X plus y is equal to 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon 2 upon root 2 is equal to root 2. This is your equation of tangent. Now, discuss about the equation of normal. So, in case of normal, point will not change, slope will change. The slope of normal is negative reciprocal of slope of tangent minus 1 upon dy by dx, which is equal to 1. Equation is y minus y1 m1 x minus, and you can solve it, minus x plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to x. This is your equation of normal. Means in case of tangent and normal, what was the difference? Difference was in slope, not in, from a single point. A tangent is passing, that is a line, and from the same point a normal is passing. They have different slope, point is same.